Hi everyone, welcome to BISP Solutions. My name is Farha Alam, and in this tutorial series we are going to learn about the fast formula in Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud. So firstly we are going to take a look on the introduction and overview part of the fast formula. So let me quickly give you the introduction for the fast formula. So here is what is fast formula. The question comes, what is fast formula? Why we use it in the Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud? So Oracle fast formula is a simple way to write a formula. So what will happen in if we are working in Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud? So if we want to perform some logistics or some logical operations in our cloud instance, then we have to write the fast formula. This is basically the concept or idea behind the fast formula using in the Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud. In order to perform some logistics or logical operation, we have to write the fast formula in our cloud instance. Then we can write it using English words and basic mathematical functions. It means that in the fast formula, what will happen, we have to uh, how can we write this fast formula, right? So we have to write some mnemonic codes in the fast formula. The way of writing the fast formula, what we have to do, we have to write the mnemonic code. So the question comes, what are mnemonic codes? So mnemonic code is nothing but it's basically a combination of some alphabets or some abbreviations which is used as a symbols in order to codifying a particular piece of information. So we can do this with the help of fast formula. We can use the data. Next we can use the database information in the fast formula without learning database structure or even a programming language. What does it mean? So when we are working with the fast formula, we have to work with it. If we are working in the Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud, then we have to deal with the fast formula. So here comes one important concept, that is database item. So what will happen when we are working with the fast formula in our Fusion instance, we have to understand the database items that are there or that are present in the Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud. So we have to consider some database items that are there in the instance. We just need to know how do we use that database item in our formula in our without worrying the programming language. We don't need to worry about the programming language. We just have to uh, know how to use the database item. So we just have to pick up our database item. Depending on our requirement, we can choose our database item and we can write our fast formula. So this is basically the introduction part for the fast formula. Now I will show you the navigation in our UI, where we can get it in our Fusion instance. So let me show you. So here is my instance. I have logged in as an HR specialist with the username Curtis VT, and this is basically the home page of my application. And the navigation for the fast formula is we just have to click on this profile icon and or setting and actions, and we just have to go to setup and maintenance option, click on it. And here we just have to go to the global search option. Here it is, and we are going to search for the fast formula over here. Under FSM page, under global search, we have to write the fast formula under the search bar, and we have to click on this search icon. So when we click on the search icon, Right now it is showing no result found. So another way in order to locate the fast formula is we just have to go to the home page, and we have to under this springboard options available, we just have to click on my client group, and under it we just have to click on this show more option. After clicking on show more option, we just press Ctrl F, and then we have to search for fast formula. Then it will going to highlight the keywords which we have typed over here. So here when we type a few keywords for the fast formula, here I have typed fast, so it will going to highlight that particular fast formula. When I click on it, it will redirect us to the fast formula page. So here it has redirected me to the fast formula page where I can easily search the existing formulas, and I can also create the new one. So if I click on this plus icon, it will pop up a window where we have to type the formula name, we have to select the type of the formula, and we have to provide the description for this one if we want to provide, but although it is not a mandatory field, so we can skip this description field. So this is how can we reach out to the fast formula, or this is basically the navigation for the fast formula. And this session is about the introduction part of the fast formula. So this is all about this session. If you have any question in the introduction for the fast formula, you can reach out to us at www.bispsolutions.com or www.bisptrainings.com. We'll continue in our upcoming sessions. Thank you, everyone.